Good morning, Lewisburg. I'm Jake Parker, and this is Patriot Vision for Monday, August 10th. Good luck to the boys and girls golf as they compete in the Battle at the Border in Tunica today. Make plans to attend the Meet the Patriots at 6 p.m. on the football field. Come out and meet your fellow Patriot athletes. Cheer is selling sweet teas on Wednesday for $3 during lunch. Refills are $1. And today, we'd like to introduce you to one of our new teachers at the Berg.
Today we interviewed Ms. Foucalt. The first question we asked her is, why did you come back to Lewisburg?
I came back to Lewisburg because DC was a wonderful school. I enjoyed my 11 years there, but I felt like I needed something a little bit more to challenge me, and I think this is a good place to do that.
The second question we asked is, what is she most excited for this school year?
I think the most thing that I'm excited is to meet all the new different students and to have them understand how much physics and chemistry is related to the real world.
The third question we asked her, if she got stranded on an island, what are 3 items she would bring with her?
I would definitely take a periodic table. I would definitely take my little puppy Vivian, and I would probably need a spear.
For Patriot Vision, this is Lane Martin.
Thanks, Lane. Interact, a community service and leadership club, has its first meeting of the year on Tuesday in the auditorium. This will be an interest meeting for newcomers. All previous members will need to attend as well to rejoin the band. Superintendent Corey Usselton would like to invite students to apply for Future Civic Leaders and Superintendent's Youth Leadership Council. Future Civic Leaders is an organization for current freshmen and sophomores currently enrolled in DeSoto County schools. It is a nonpartisan organization designed to inspire the next generation of community, state, and national leaders by supporting a strong sense of citizenship and patriotism. Applications can be picked up outside of room B5 and must be returned by September 1st. The Superintendent's Youth Leadership Council is accepting applications for current juniors. SYLC is built around leadership development through learning principles of government, business, service, and travel. Applications can also be picked up outside of room B5 and must be returned by August 21st. If you have any questions, you can see Coach Shands in room B5. The Olive Branch Mayor's Youth Council applications are open to juniors and seniors that are residents of Olive Branch. Applications are due August 14th and can be found online at obms.us/youthcouncil. Dance Boosters are hosting a fish fry in the LHS Cafe on August 22nd. Service time is from 4:30 to 7:30 p.m. Tickets are $20 and can be purchased by scanning the QR code. And finally, Open House is on Thursday from 4 to 6. This is a come and go event. Thanks for watching, and have a great day, Patriots.